Is your BT YouView remote not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. Remote control issues are common, affecting 15 to 20% of users each year. The most frequent causes are dead batteries or synchronization problems between the remote and the YouView box. First, replace the batteries with high-quality alkaline AA batteries, ensuring correct polarity. Remove the batteries for 30 seconds, check the battery contacts for corrosion, and then insert fresh batteries. Here you can see the battery compartment with the metal contacts. Make sure to check these contacts for any corrosion before inserting new batteries. Using high-quality alkaline batteries is crucial for optimal performance. As shown in this comparison, different battery types provide varying levels of performance and longevity. If a battery replacement doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to resync the remote with your YouView box. This process reestablishes the connection between the two devices. If basic resyncing doesn't resolve your remote issues, we can try more advanced reset procedures. The first method is a soft reset, which attempts to reestablish the connection between your remote and YouView box. For a soft reset, locate the standby button and the OK button on your remote. Hold both buttons simultaneously for exactly 10 seconds. You'll see the LED light flash red, then blue, indicating the reset is in progress. If the soft reset doesn't work, we can try a factory reset of the remote. This is a more comprehensive reset that clears all pairing information and returns the remote to its original state. The factory reset process involves 3 main steps. First, remove the batteries from your remote completely. Then, hold any button for 15 seconds to discharge any remaining power. Finally, reinsert the batteries while holding the number 1 and power buttons until the LED flashes green. If hardware reset procedures don't solve the problem, there are several alternative control methods available. The BT TV app provides full remote functionality on your smartphone and serves as an excellent backup solution. Universal remotes are another excellent alternative. The Logitech Harmony series is specifically compatible with BT YouView boxes and can control multiple devices from a single remote. For users with newer BT TV Pro boxes, voice control is also available as an alternative input method. This feature allows you to navigate and control your TV using voice commands, providing hands-free operation when the physical remote isn't working.